Do you have something to say to your supporters? I believe you're one of the crowd favorites here.
Ayun, gusto ko naman thank you sa mga supporters ko, lalo sa mga classmates ko, sa PO ko, sa mga
Thank you. Okay, zigzag lang po ako dito while waiting for our results. You, ate, in Filipiniana, Pinipini number 3. What's your name?
Janina.
Nina. So, can you tell me who is the designer of this gown?
Kyra Calvin from Laguna.
From Laguna. So you outsourced this gown sa Laguna ba?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you like about the sisterhood? Ano yung mga favorite moment mo with your sisters for the search of Miss STI Idol?
Yung bonding ko.
Are you feeling pressured right now?
Nakakatakot!
Atakot. Kinabahan nga po siya. Okay. Mr. Cabarubia. Okay. I believe you have your whole section on your back supporting you. Do you have something to say to them?
Thank you kasi nandiyan kayo palagi para i-support namin. Ano ko kayo?
Okay, at dahil dyan, meron kayong mag-insa mamaya sa kanya, dito sa akin. Okay. Okay. You. What's your name?
Asia.
Asia. So, what are your preparation or favorite part of your preparation on your journey to this event?
Everything po. Everything.
Everything. So, what's your course again?
I'm from ABM 12.
F11. So, ABM 12. So, ano ang huling kong course when you're going to college?
It's either BSTM or BSTM.
HM. So it's either within the tourism and hospital. Well, as part of the tourism and hospitality department, we cannot wait to see you there. Okay, thank you. Okay, Mr. Candidate number 2. Your name?
Adrian po.
What?
Adrian.
Adrian. Okay. Do you have anything else to say to your supporters right now?
Thank you for